You see this right here, right? It's one of my favorite fruits. I say fruits because this is the fruit part of the plant that we eat. The cucumber. So you see the cucumber right here, growing a few different varieties in here. So this variety here is different from this variety. These cucumbers are nutritious and delicious. They have a lot of vitamin C, a lot of electrolyte potassium, a lot of vitamin K in your cucumbers. That's gonna help you absorb that calcium and get those strong bones. These cucumbers, hydration food, water food, this is what you need. The personality of this particular plant, it likes to grow on a vine. So much water right now. We've been getting so much rain. They need a lot of water. This is 95% water. Another reason why they're so happy is because they have the right companions, which in this case are these green onions or these scallions. These cucumbers, one of my favorite things to do, especially in the summertime, some pink Himalayan salt, but I'll just cut these things right open. Take some salt, sprinkle it right on the top, and eat it just like that. Delicious, nutritious and delicious. You can grow these cucumbers in containers, grow them in raised beds. Just grow them. Right there, it's good. Stay rooted. Keep growing. Bless.